We're going to show you guys how to find the cursor on Android devices. For those of you that may want to make content using the cursor in order to point out certain things, certain icons, what have you, on your Android devices. So here we go. You turn your phone on, obviously. You go to settings, you hit settings, you scroll down. You're going to find accessibility. You're going to press on accessibility. Then you're going to find right here where it says interaction. Press on interactions. Then at the top here, right on the universal switch, it says assistant menu. You're going to turn that on. Now at the bottom appear like this round little icon with 4 little boxes, like a widget type thing, if I'm using the correct word. Well, anyway, you press on that. Boom. It pops open, and you're going to move it to the left, and it says cursor. You're going to press on the cursor. Boom. And the cursor pops up right there on the top. You see it? So now you can use the cursor. This little like pad shows up. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, but it's gonna show up, and you're gonna use that touchpad to move the cursor around. Like your finger's not gonna actually be like right on the cursor on your Android devices. So it's kind of sort of like when you're using your mouse or what have you, right? So you press on it, you see it's working. It's definitely working. Device care, let's see. Okay. So there you have it, guys. If you want to make content using your cursor, that's how you make the cursor work on Android devices. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this and learning how to find things and how to work your Android devices, or how-to videos on how to grow on YouTube and all these social media platforms. This is Tech for Rec, because Rec, we have fun with it. Thank you for tuning in. Up to next time.